Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare VSCode versus Jupyter Notebook. We'll explore their core functionalities and ideal use cases. Visual Studio Code, often called VSCode, is a powerful, lightweight code editor, while Jupyter Notebook offers an interactive, cell-based environment. Both are incredibly popular among developers and data scientists, supporting a wide array of programming languages. Understanding their distinct advantages will help you choose the best tool for your specific project needs. VS Code shines as a full-featured integrated development environment. It provides robust debugging capabilities, allowing you to step through code line by line and inspect variables with ease. Its vast marketplace offers thousands of extensions, enhancing productivity for nearly any programming task, from web development to cloud deployment. For larger projects requiring structured code management and version control, VS Code offers unparalleled support and efficiency. Jupyter Notebook excels in interactive data analysis and exploration. Its cell-based structure allows you to execute code snippets, view immediate results, and intersperse narrative text using Markdown. This makes it perfect for rapid prototyping, machine learning experiments, and creating shareable reports. You can easily visualize data, document your thought process, and present findings in a highly engaging and reproducible format. Ultimately, the choice between VS Code and Jupyter Notebook depends on your project's nature. For comprehensive software engineering, large code bases, and application development, VS Code is generally the superior choice. However, for data exploration, machine learning model development, and interactive presentations, Jupyter Notebook is often preferred. Many professionals even integrate both, leveraging VS Code's editing power with Jupyter's interactive cells for a truly flexible workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.